Welcome back to Cheeseburgers of the World, where we explore burgers around the globe. And today, we're going down under. That's right, the Aussie burger. Let's get cracking. All right, I'm gonna get this burger on ASAP because there's a lot of components to this Aussie burger. Honestly, there's a lot of chefs out there that are kind of suspect about this burger because it's way too many ingredients. Like, you know, when you go to culinary school, they teach you less is better. This breaks all those rules. So we're gonna make this together. One of my favorite chefs, David Chang, says this is a monstrosity of a burger, but I have yet to decide, and this is the first time I'm making it. So I'll let you know afterwards what I think about it. But I'm a bit cheeky. I like all burgers. So gotta get some eggs. This burger has eggs in it. You guys thought that you were making an egg burger and you thought it was something that you came up with. Nope, the Aussies did. Look at that. This burger has so many toppings. As you can see, I have a pineapple here. And a lot of people say pineapples don't belong on pizzas. Do they belong on burgers? Who knows? We're gonna find out though. I'm gonna grill the pineapple. Actually gonna grill it in that cast iron skillet. Get that going. This burger was basically created out of necessity. You know, like back in the day, World War II, there's a lot of canneries. You know a little bit of Hawaiian history, some similarities. You know, spam, canned spam, but they had canned everything in Australia. Canned beetroot, canned pineapples, all that canned stuff. You know what? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna chop an onion really fast. Last time I told you, I'm the fastest one in the world chopping an onion. Hey Nathan, can you get that timer up? Okay. You know what, we gotta do this. I gotta prove it to you folks that I can chop this. My record's 22 seconds. Let's get this to 19. I gotta take these gloves off. That's restricted. All right, ready? Ready? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Where I'm at, where I'm at. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh no. Done. 20 seconds. Let's go. Where you at, guys? I'm challenging all you guys. Challenging all you guys. There you go, the still, baby. Okay, let's get back to making this burger. Got these pineapples creating this caramelization. Oh, yeah. Yeah, get these buns off. Nice, beautiful buns. Get some more heat right there. Yeah, so this burger is interesting because it has so many different components to it, which basically reflects on the diversity of the culture in Australia, which makes sense, right? Different people, very diverse. People come from around the world to a place, leaving their mark from where they're from, and they came up with this. One thing I don't get though is the beetroot. We're putting beetroot on this burger. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. I can't believe I'm about to do that. Like I said, I have yet to decide whether I like this one or not. Let's hope I do. I'm the type of guy that likes all kinds of burgers, so maybe I probably will. Look at the eggs. They're beautiful. Oh man, we're gonna start topping this burger soon. Now with this burger, you can go crazy, go nuts with all this, all these toppings. There you go. I'm gonna put mustard. A little messy there. See how I guess go messy. This burger's gonna be a messy burger anyway. And then I'm gonna go here for my burger. Yeah, strange toppings for burgers. This is very interesting. Think about it yourselves at home. What kind of strange toppings do you like to put on your burgers? And myself, strange, I don't know, sweet, maybe something sweet. This right here is strange for me, so maybe this is the strangest topping. We're gonna finish these bad boys off because I am ready to take a bite. to figure out if I like it or not. Yes. Okay, some bacon. Put the bacon right there. 2 slabs of bacon. Oh my goodness. I can see the guys behind the camera looking at these burgers like, I want one. We'll find out if they're gonna like it. All right, for me, that cheese is great. It doesn't have to be overly melted. Let's get that down. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's get that down. How you guys feeling at home about this? Pineapple on a burger. I mean, it looks all right. Absolutely looks all right. You gotta go with the onions and chop them. Oh man, this is gonna be one messy burger. You gotta have the egg yolk so it just like spills out when you take a bite. There we go. Tomatoes, we'll do the tomatoes because that's gonna crush the egg yolk for me. And then the beetroot. Oh my goodness, I'm putting beetroot on a burger. I can't believe I'm putting beetroot on a burger, but I'm doing it for you guys. And some lettuce. You just rip it and zip it. Let's go. Okay, this one's for me. Oh my goodness, it's already falling out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Here we go. Oh. Well, oh my goodness. Yeah. The flavors make sense. Honestly, they do. But I think I'm going to agree with David Chang. This is a monstrosity. Like, it's so hard to eat. The flavors are good though. That's the crazy thing. The flavors are actually good. But it's so hard to eat. It's delicious. You got the caramelization, you got the cheese, sweet, you got savory, you got salty, everything you need. It's just way too hard to eat. But there you have it. The Aussie burger. This is Cheeseburgers of the World. I'm Joe Friday. Join me next time while we continue our burger journey across the globe.